The 7 elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the tools you use to create art. Get ready to dive into the electrifying world of value. This art element is all about light, shadow, and everything in between. Let's spotlight 2 value rock stars. First, Chuck Close, whose massive portraits take value to the next level. Chuck Close is a modern master. Look at this close-up of his self-portrait and how his use of value creates hyperrealism. Value is the superpower of light and dark in your art. It's how you use shades, from the brightest whites to the deepest blacks, to create depth, mood, and drama. Next, Albrecht Dürer, the 16th century engraving genius, used crazy detailed cross-hatching and melancholia to make light and shadow pop. He uses value in his self-portrait at the age of 28 to create texture and a feeling of intensity. Both artists make value sing, turning flat surfaces into lifelike drama. Think of value as the contrast that makes your drawings leap off the page, turning flat shapes into 3D forms that feel alive, like this rabbit by Albrecht Dürer. Dürer and Close aren't alone. Caravaggio used bold chiaroscuro in the Conversion of St. Paul to make figures glow with high contrast. Rembrandt's self-portrait blends soft value shifts for moody depth. Now it's your turn to master value like Dürer and Close. Grab a pencil and finish the handout. Use light, medium, and dark shading to make it pop. Try cross-hatching like Dürer and use the grid like Close. Play with contrast for drama or soft transitions for calm. You're not just drawing, you're painting with light and shadow.